family time.
Hi, Alex. What are we doing today?
We're making Orbeez.
Orbeez.
Yeah.
All right. What are Orbeez?
Polymers that it's a super absorbent polymer that the activator is water.
Oh,
They
right.
expand.
Exactly. So here we have our Orbeez. Okay, and if you can kind of see them there, they are teeny tiny right now, but this super absorbent polymer will expand to a much larger size once we add what? What ingredient do we need to add? Water! All right, so I have my 3 good science helpers today, and we are going to see what happens to this bag of tiny Orbeez when we add some water to them. So let's find out. All right, so Alex is gonna pour the Orbeez into our
Let me help you
container.
clean all of them out. Make sure they're all out.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah,
How
not very
much water
much
do we put in it?
in there.
Too
Well, let's just look and see. We can it just says to fill it with water. So we'll start adding and then we'll see what happens.
Maybe to like right here, like to see a butterfly.
Yeah, that's a great idea. All right.
These little big stuff. What do they feel like though? They are, I can't feel them anymore.
Well, why don't you stick your hand in, Caleb? Would you like to feel?
Yeah.
And then tell everybody what they feel like?
Right now they don't feel them. I just feel like
I'll
small
just
balls.
feel
Wait.
Small balls. Okay, Alex, go ahead. Stick your hand.
Maybe later, maybe later.
What does it feel like?
It felt like rainbows.
Rainbows. Okay. What about you, Elijah? What do you think?
Tiny balls.
Tiny. Let's see. I'm gonna stick my hand in here. Okay. Yeah, they feel like hard, not really squishy. So okay, we're gonna leave them here, and
We
we're
take
gonna
1
soak
hour.
them into the water. And as you can see, what happened to the little balls, Alex?
I got a touchdown.
Okay, touch them.
Here, I'll bring some for you.
No.
Elijah, why are the balls bigger?
They're so
Ooh. So the water acts like an expander, right? The molecules. Yep, and it got activated and it causes these little tiny balls that we started with to expand and to grow. Now, I want you guys each to grab some,
easy to grab some.
okay?
What if we
And let's
squish
see
them?
how, do they bounce?
Yeah, they do.
Are they bouncy, Alex? Try to see if it bounces.
Watch this, Alex. Wow.
Woo! These are also used in soil for plants to help keep the plant moist because these little tiny balls absorb water, so they keep things moist. All right, neat, huh?
Yeah, one exploded. Somebody broke one. Let's see.
Oh.
One exploded.
I want to break one.
Oh, you want to try to break one? Let's see,
I got
try to
one.
break one.
First one to break it once. I broke mine.
I broke mine already.
Oh, let's see.
Oh,
what
I was
comes
obliterated his.
Ooh. Teeny tiny little pieces.
Where's mine at?
Really cool.
They're so bouncy.
And bouncy. Okay, here we go. We're gonna start lining them up.
Oh no, this one's like
Okay, it's okay. What color is this one?
blue.
Blue. What about that one?
Yellow.
Yellow. And let's see, what about this one?
Orange.
Orange. And let's see if you know what color is that one. we go. This one might be a little hard, but I think you can do it. What color is that?
Purple.
Purple! Excellent! Okay, did we say this color already?
Yes.
Okay.
Mommy, I gotta count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
And one more. 5! 5! Yeah, high five. Good job. All right, do you know what color this is?
White.
White or like clear, right? Kind of see-through.
And look, I can't see it.
Oh.
What is it?
Where did it go? It's right there, silly. And then what about this color? Which one is that?
I know. Close your eyes.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Okay.
Now open your eyes.
Okay.
I said green.
Green! Yeah! Green! Good job!
It's just a little bit joke, but that's okay. So.
So we got all these pretty colors.
And touch these and break these as well.
Yeah, they feel so funny.
Yeah.
And they're bouncy too, like little balls.
Yeah, like upstairs in my room.
Yeah, like all your balls in your room. That is so great.
Lemons make lemonade.
Bye! Remember, if you want to see more videos, make sure you subscribe to our